Here are three more methods to remove contaminants from water: reverse osmosis, ultrafiltration, on which we are going to talk in next lecture, and electrodialysis process, on which we are going to talk about today in terms of why we need to study this process, how does it works, and what are the pros and cons of the process. I am Audumba Patkar and welcome to this lecture 13 of the module Water. So let's see why one must study this process, and here are the reasons. This is the most compact unit to get deionized or demineralized water. That means water we will get after treatment will be free from all salts or ions. That is major application of this process. The process is economical in terms of its installation and operation cost. And this process has wide range of applications which includes seawater desalination, salt production, reuse of water, etc. etc. Now let's understand the principle of the process. Ions present in water are pulled out of salt water by passing direct current using electrodes and thin rigid plastic ion selective membrane pairs. So two separate principles are used to remove ions from water. First one, where direct current is passed through saline water using electrodes, thereby positively charged ions, that means cations, will get attracted and start moving towards negatively charged electrode, that is cathode. And negatively charged ions, that means anions, will get attracted towards positively charged electrode, that is anode. Second one, where ions are separated by using ion selective membranes which can allow to pass only cations or anions through it. We'll understand that better by the help of animation. When salts are dissolved in water, these ions can move freely through the water as individual atoms. And when direct current is passed through such water, positively charged ions like sodium ions will get attracted to negative electrode cathode, and negatively charged ions like chloride ions will get attracted to positive electrode anode. And when pairs of ion selective membranes are placed in between these two electrodes, they help to separate deionized water and concentrated stream of water. Here you can see the animation where yellow colored cation selective membranes, which can allow only sodium like cations to pass through it, and blue colored anion selective membrane which can allow to pass only chloride like anions through it. And at the end we'll get alternate stream of deionized water and concentrated salt stream. So this is how electrodialysis works. So let's talk about pros and cons of the method. This is efficient method to remove low molecular weight ionic compounds from water. but non-charged, high molecular weight, and less mobile ionic species will not typically be significantly removed. Also, system requires feed pre-treatment to remove species that can coat or precipitate on the surface of ion selective membranes. So that's all about electrodialysis. Thanks for watching. See you next time.